Hello everybody. Today we're doing another video on product review, and I do want to discuss the Amazon kit with you today just a little bit more. I know we talked about that yesterday when I did the overview of everything I carry in my car. One of those objects I forgot to tell you about was a fold-out saw, which I keep under my seat. I do recommend one of those as well. But let's dig into the Amazon kit today and discuss that. So here's the kit. Comes wrapped in a Tyvek envelope. And let's just go ahead and remove that from the Tyvek. This is how it comes pre-wrapped. You know, it usually has an American flag up in the corner. But this is what you're going to get when it comes in the mail. This kit is unmodified because I want to show you guys exactly how it looks. Just give me one moment. So here's the kit as it is unwrapped. And first thing they give you is just a little bit of fishing gear. Now, this is the paracord watch. Let me lay that down so you can see that. It's got a little compass. It's also got a built-in whistle. You can see the whistle right there. And, of course, paracord. So this is a great little thing to have out in the wild. Also, you got a little metal piece there. That's for the ferro rod. There's actually a built-in ferro rod in this. It's right on the tip, if you guys can see that. So you got a ferro rod on the tip, but they give you a much bigger paracord. Let's move on to the next item. Alright, some more paracord. And your fire starting, kindling. Kind of like a candle. This is a bottle holder. It took us a while to figure out what this was. Actually had to look it up online. None of my friends knew what that was. Okay, this is your chainsaw, really. You put each loop in your fingers and you can go over a log with that. Okay, this is your spoon, right? Your spoon and fork. Somebody said it had something else in it. I'm not too sure. You take that off. I think it's got a knife on the other side. So that'll be interesting. Oh, one thing I didn't mention yesterday, they give you this little multi-tool, right? You guys have all seen these online. They're, you know, all cut out. And there it is. Right? It's got a tool for everything. Right? And the directions on, I guess, how to use it. They give you a little card with it. But let's move on to the rest of this kit. There's your patch that comes packed. There's your flashlight. These are great. These are glow-in-the-dark sticks. To my kit, I added a few of the battery-powered ones, which you can use as signalers. Right? I mentioned the bigger ferro rod right there. Okay. Screwdriver, Phillips, and a flathead. There's another one of those chemical sticks. There's your fold-out knife. Now this is pretty good. It still has a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter. There's your knife. And it's got a clip on it, so you can put it on your belt. Another whistle. This is your medical supplies. Quite a few items in there. Obviously it has a CPR device. you know, it's got all kinds of stuff packed in it. Emergency blanket. The only thing this didn't have, I believe it didn't have, was a poncho. You're going to have to add that for yourself. They do have little pockets tucked all through here, so you're going to have to do some exploring. I'm just moving things back over so I can explore the other side a little bit. Forgive me if you can't see anything right now. Okay, right there's a little pouch. You can put a lot of your smaller supplies right up there. Again, over here, little pouch. You can tuck things in. Some of the things I'm going to recommend that you buy for it, again, is matches, rain poncho. I honestly would put in some kind of Leatherman tool or Swiss Army knife. I would put in a slightly better compass than what they provide. You know, a nice cheap camping compass would work for this. And maybe some water purification tablets. But that's the overall Amazon 216 piece kit. It's actually classified as a first aid / survival kit. So if you're on Amazon, type that in, put down 216 pieces. You should see it there for $25.99. Again, I am not promoting this product. I'm simply reviewing it. It's up to you whether you want to buy this. Like I said, it's packed. Look how packed that really is. I mean, it's overflowing, and I have to pack it all back in there so I can give it away as a gift. I've probably bought 3 additional kits so far, and I'll be buying another maybe 3 to 6 kits so I can give these away for Christmas presents, because, you know, I believe if you can help your family prepare a little bit, even if they don't believe in preparing, these still make excellent gifts. So definitely something to think about when you're preparing for yourself, is to help others prepare as well. Because I've seen a lot of greedy people online. All they do is they prepare for themselves. They think nothing of others. They hoard tons and tons of food, right? These preppers. And they don't share, they really don't share any of it with anybody. They're like, if the end comes, I'm going to just keep it all for myself and the hell with everybody else. And, you know, that's just not the way to think. If you can help somebody out, help them. And maybe convince them to prepare a little bit. That's, you know, what you should do. Maybe getting them started on a kit like this is the way to get them into preparing. But stay tuned until my next video. I'd like to review the Leatherman tool tomorrow. So we'll stay tuned for that.